Hey, this is David with the Shepherd School, aka Dave's Homestead, and I want to tell you about an ebook that I just published called The Ultimate Guide to Pepper Spray. Now, I'm a longtime firearm instructor, a longtime chemical agent instructor, and I've been publishing uh, books with traditional publishers for quite a few years now. This is my first real foray into ebooks, and I did it in large part because from the time that I give a book to the publisher, it takes up to a year for it to see the light of day. With an ebook, I could write something on a Friday and it be published on a Sunday. This book has been on my mind for a long time because I have to pepper spray people as part of my job, especially new trainees, and they are very concerned about what it does and how it is used. Additionally, my wife is a school teacher. My mom's a retired teacher, and there's a lot of stuff in the news right now about danger in schools, and guns aren't an option in school. So I thought I'd write something for people that can't carry guns or are uncomfortable carrying guns. And this is based upon my years of experience as an instructor. If you look in the book, it talks about what pepper spray actually is, the differences between pepper spray and mace, talking about the proper mindset, legal issues, such as the reasonable person test, talking about, law enforcement officers are sprayed in training. Why are they sprayed in training? Because it's not what people tell you. And do you, as a armed citizen, or a citizen carrying OC spray, do you need to be sprayed? How OC spray is measured, because the big 20% cans of OC spray that you'll see at flea markets is probably a lot weaker than OC spray with a 1.33 percentage rating, because it depends on how it is measured. We talk about that. Different types of OC spray, foams, streams, cone mists, right? The laws. And these aren't just go to Google and Google the laws. Like I went to individual state law lookups and looked up pepper spray, and I have footnoted the law so you can see where it actually comes from. Talking about wasp spray, how to carry it, how to use it. And if you use it and you get it on you, how to make it stop hurting. So there's a lot of good information in this book. Tried not to add a whole bunch of extraneous stuff, but it is good basic information that is based upon my decade, more than a decade, almost 2 decades of experience as a pepper spray instructor and as someone that has to train people nearly on a weekly basis about OC spray. I've been sprayed multiple times. I've sprayed people multiple times. And I've had to help people decon off hundreds of times. So, I hope this is a very useful book to you, and I have linked to it in the description below. If you get the book, I would really appreciate an Amazon review. Thank you very much.